Hello everyone. This is a Bose radio. Model is AWRCC1 and came to the shop for no power. Let's plug it. Yeah, we have no screen, completely dead. Yeah, this device, like when you plug it to the power, it should show something here on the screen. Like no need to push the power button. Yeah, this connector is damaged. This block connector should be staying here. We're gonna need to resolder it again. Yeah, maybe the unit being dropped. Could be. So to test the power, we need just the screen and this. Alright, let's go to this diode mode. And because we have no power, we're gonna check the input of the transformer. The 110 comes to here, and just a coil and wire, we should have a low resistance here. So this one, it tested. We can even take it out. So that's good. There is no, the transformer, the primary side is not burning and doesn't test open. So let's check the secondary side. So blue to blue is good. Purple to purple is good. Yes. Then the gray to brown. There is no connection between the gray and the brown. Okay. So in the blue wire there is two coils. So here we have the blue and the blue. And here we have the gray. The gray is the middle between the blue coil. So if we have like 10 volt between here and here, we are going to have 5 volt from here to here and another 5 volt from here to here. And the same thing, the purple color. So let's just be sure if that's, so here from the purple to the brown. Yep, we have connection and we have connection. So the brown is the wire between the two purple coil, and the gray is between the two blue coils. So the transformer is good. There is no burned coil and it doesn't test open. And let's be sure. Let's go to the altar. Let's go to the EC. So do we have 110? Yeah, we have 110 volt in. Between the blue to the blue is 12 volt. Between one of the blue to the gray, we should have 6 volt. Yep, 6 volt over there. So purple to purple, we have 4 volt. And between one purple to the brown, we are going to have 2 volt. So yeah, that's how is this transformer works. So let's see this rectified bridge. If on 0.4, if we flip, it's still going high. This means the diode is good. 0.4, and if we flip, over 1 volt, that's good. So 4.2. So let's take that, the beep is off. It's too much. 0.4, 0.5, and if we flip on both diodes, we have over 1 volt, and this one here we have over 1 volt. There is another diode here. Yeah, one way no reading, the other way we have reading, so that's good. This connector of the CD, it's not going to cause the device to go no power. Could be a bad capacitors in the controller board. We should see. This is a common problem that capacitors they go bad. So let's plug it to the power. We keep watching this one as well. So set up the power supply at 400 degree. To see if this is the capacitors. Yeah, these capacitors are warm now. Yeah, we're just warming up the capacitor. Till we see the screen later. Yeah, you see it is on now, but I should like every time I warm up a group of the capacitor, I should like unplug it. Because at the moment, I don't know which capacitor is causing the problem. So we did warm up here, and even I warm up this one. So I'm going to turn it off and wait till it's cooled down a little bit. Then we try again. It's cooled down for it to back to the A0, the first stage. Yeah, we have no power. So I'm gonna warm up this group of the capacitor by the controller. And I will unplug and plug it. So let's unplug. It turns on. So the problem we have here, common issue. The problem in this group of the capacitors. We are going to take them out and replace them. You hold the capacitor, push it down, and twist it. So that's one is 47. This is 100. And we have 22. Don't pull. Like if you pull the capacitor, you may damage the tracer. Yeah, look like one of the capacitors, it was leaking. If you can see it, yeah, there's some sign of leakage in this capacitors. And even here, yeah, these capacitors are dry. So I'm gonna remove the pin that's left from the capacitor. So we have 147, 20, 20, 10, or 22, 22, 10. So the little mark in the board is gonna be hard to see. It's gonna be hard to see that the little mark is the negative side of the capacitor. Ten, 10, 22, 22, 147. So let's test it. This works. gonna solder this one. So we solder that connector. Let's go to the microscope. So be sure that it's soldered good. Yeah, it's look like it's soldered good. So the solder is around the pen, the top and the bottom, not like before it was just like the pens just sitting. So like the pen is just sitting on the solder. It's not like go around it like hugging it. Yeah, the connector is good now. So we put the CD and we test.
After my second step, I went into my good feet dance.
Today, he's grateful to be back in the great outdoors.
I feel like a new person, thanks to the Good Feet store.
See for yourself how art supports can help you. Step.
There is something wrong with the CD. So let's unplug it. I soldered the connector in a wrong way. The pins, it should be this side. Damn. It happened. Yeah, you see here. The pins, it should be the other side, not in the blue cover. Yep, we solder it without damaging the connector. And usually the plastic in this connector is easy to melt, and this is how you do it. Just keep moving till you get the solder melt. Or you may use the low melt solder, it will help too as well. Turn it on.
Parts to keep all the other trucks running.
So it's good. Let's see the CD. It's going. Yeah, it works. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.